How to log in to Amazon Kindle. So if you want to log in to Amazon Kindle account or Amazon Kindle app, then first you need to download the application. So to download, you can open up your Play Store and then go for the search bar and search for Amazon Kindle, and then you can have this application here. You can simply tap on install and install the application. And after installing, you can go for open option, which is on the right side, and it will take you to the application, right? So you can go for more, which is on the bottom right, and then go for sign in with Amazon. And here if you already have created your account, then you can simply enter your email address or your phone number which you have used to create your account, and then you have to enter your Amazon password. But if you have forgotten your password, then here on the upper right side you will have forgotten password option. You can simply tap on that forgotten password, and then you have to enter the email address or your phone number, so that Amazon Kindle will send you a code to your email address, and you have to enter that code here, and you can reset your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password, and after entering your password, simply tap on sign in, and that's it. Now it will start to sync your account, and that's it. That's how you log into your Amazon Kindle with your Amazon account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.